Hey everyone! If you're running a Shopify store and want to boost your conversions with powerful social proof, then you've got to check out Loox product reviews app. Loox helps you grow your brand by collecting and showcasing stunning product reviews with photos, videos, and referrals. It's not just about written reviews anymore. Visual proof builds real trust. The best part? Everything is automatic. Look sends customized emails to your customers, encouraging them to leave reviews, and even offers discounts for photos or video submissions. You can display these reviews beautifully through customable widgets like carousels, pop-ups, and budgets, all matching your brand style. Plus, you can sync reviews to Google Shopping, Meta Shops, and even import from other platforms like Judge.me and Yotpo. Pricing is simple and scalable. Let's talk about it. The beginner plan starts at just 12.99 per month with a 7-day free trial. Wow, perfect for new stores. Then next we have the scale plan includes video reviews and referrals with a 14-day free trial. And for lighter brands, there is the unlimited plan at 299.99 a month, offering unlimited everything. Now let's go ahead and discuss the reviews. And Lux have over 23,000 reviews and a glowing 4.9 star rating. Absolutely amazing. Lux is trusted by thousands of successful brands around the world, especially in the Philippines. Right now, below the install a button, there's a view demo store option. Make sure to check that out. It gives you a live preview of how Lux works and what it will look like on your store. If you're ready to take your store's social proof to the next level, don't forget to install Lux using our affiliate link. It helps support the channel and keeps content like this going. And lastly, we prepared a step-by-step tutorial video to help you get started with Lux easily. Make sure to watch that next.